Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho CRM to Zapier for AI lead enrichment. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Open a new browser tab and navigate to the Zapier website.
Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet.
Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger App section, type Zoho CRM into the search bar. Select Zoho CRM from the list of applications. Choose the trigger event you want to use, such as new lead or new contact. Click on the Continue button. Connect your Zoho CRM account to Zapier by clicking on Sign in to Zoho CRM. You will be prompted to log into your Zoho CRM account if not already logged in. Authorize Zapier to access your Zoho CRM data. Once connected, select your Zoho CRM account from the drop-down menu and proceed by clicking Continue. Test the trigger to ensure that Zapier can pull data from Zoho CRM effectively.
After confirming the trigger works as expected, click on Continue.
Next, in the Action App section, type AI Lead Enrichment into the search bar. Select the AI Lead Enrichment tool of your choice from the available options. Choose the action event relevant to your enrichment tool, like Enrich Lead or Enrich Contact. Click on the Continue button. Connect your AI Enrichment tool account to Zapier, following the required authentication process. Select the appropriate fields to enrich from the data pulled from Zoho CRM. Map the fields from Zoho CRM to the fields required in the AI Enrichment tool. Click Continue to proceed. Test the action to ensure that the data enrichment is functioning correctly. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Click on Turn on Zap to activate your newly created integration. Your Zap is now set up to enrich leads from Zoho CRM automatically using the chosen AI tool.
Monitor your Zap's performance and make adjustments if necessary for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.